So right now I'm changing the hard drive from a normal hard drive, which is this one. It's a Westdigit 1 TB hard drive, to SSD hard drive, Samsung SSD 1 TB. So basically I took the computer apart and then I'm using CloneZilla, the software, to transfer all the data from this old hard drive to a temporary one. This disk 3 is a temporary hard drive, and after the transfer is done, I'm going to copy the data, basically transfer the old data to this SSD hard drive. I'm doing this because I don't have the SSD adapter. If I have the adapter, I can do the data transfer directly, but I cannot do. I don't have the adapter. That's why I have to use a temporary hard drive. After this is done, my computer is going to be faster because the SSD hard drive is very fast.
How much is it?
$280 for the SSD.